Being able to take action when sensitive data has leaked into unwanted areas, as well as knowing who put it there, is essential to an overall security and compliance plan. DataGravity's action framework provides the ability to respond to content and activities that could result in compliance, data security, and data availability issues. To understand how to take advantage of the action framework, we'll start by clicking on Discover, then Insight Management. The Insight Management dashboard shows all configured Insight policies, as well as enables you to manage Insight profiles and intelligence tags. Next, click Add Insight Policy. As you can see, there are three types of policies. The Content Insight policy monitors content for specific match criteria, including tags, dictionary matches, properties, and user interactions with specific content, and allows you to perform actions on the content found. The Behavior Insight policy watches activity thresholds for interactions with files across all the virtual machines, a specific VM, or specific paths in VMs, and allows you to perform actions on the information found. Thresholds can be established with inclusion-exclusion criteria based on a specific user, a set of users, or AD group. The Suspicious Activity policy proactively monitors content for suspicious activities and threats and allows us to take actions based on that activity. We will cover this policy type in a follow-on video. Select the Behavior Insight policy, click Continue, then give the policy a name and a description if desired. Next, we'll define a trigger based on an unusual volume of activity, including create, delete, and rename file activities by a combination of users and only in the users directory on the file server. We are ready to define the actions we would like to take based on the triggers we just defined. We'll send an email alert to the IT group, disable the user accounts in Active Directory, send a system alert, and finally create a discovery point so we can easily recover affected files. After seeing how easy it was to create a Behavior Insight policy, we'll quickly walk through a Content Insight policy that was created earlier to detect social security numbers contained inside files in virtual machines or virtual machine backups. Start by selecting Content Insight policy and give the policy a name. For the trigger, we'll look for social security numbers inside all VMs or VM backups. The actions we'll define will be to send another email to the IT group, send a system alert, and lastly, tag a VM inside Virtual Center. The great thing about tagging a VM is that virtual admins or backup admins can detect the tagged VM and then make other decisions about what to do with the VM. A simple example is to make sure the VM doesn't move to the cloud because it contains social security numbers inside it. Understanding how and who is accessing your most sensitive data is one of the many steps in protecting it. The DataGravity Action Framework takes data protection to the next level by giving you the ability to proactively take action when sensitive data leakage and malicious behavior occur.